Hey guys, it's Narmo here and I'm back with another video. Today I'll be reviewing another money making app called Mobeye. With this app, you simply take photos of items to earn cash. You can get this app by downloading it from the App Store or the Google Play Store. So if you want to learn more ways to make money only using your phone, start by subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell to get notified every time I release a new video. So without further ado, let's get into the app.
So guys, as you can see, we're currently on the home screen of the app, and the first thing you may notice are the different tasks in which you can take photos of, such as taking photo of food, nightclub, sushi, handwriting, and many more. So if you click on one of these tasks, for example, the second one, which is taking photo of food, if you go on it, you will see how much the task pays and a description of the task, and you can also preview the task. So when you come back to the home screen, you may see other different icons on the screen, such as a symbol that looks like a planet. If you click on that, you will see there are tasks in which you can complete in your area. So click on it again and you come back to the home screen. Beside that planet symbol to the left, you have the filter icon. Here is where you can filter your task. And the last icon is in the top left hand corner. When you click on that symbol, it takes you to another place. So here you can see 5 different categories, which are history, payment, profile, help, and settings. And it also shows you your name and the version of the app. So guys, let's first go into the first section, which is the history section. Here is where you can see the history of your tasks. So basically, here is where you can see all the tasks that you have tried to complete. And you can see that there are 4 tasks in which I tried to complete, and the 4 of them is rejected. And the reason why is because I didn't really try enough to complete these tasks, because I didn't follow the instruction that I was given carefully. So guys, if you want to earn a bit easier, ensure to follow the instructions carefully. And at the top of this section, you can see there's a tip. You can resume your task in progress from this screen just by tapping on the corresponding card. So guys, let's move to the next section. So we are now at the next section, which is payments. Here is where you can see your balance, the amount you have waiting for validation, and the total you have earned with Mobeye. And here you can also request a payment, and the minimum payment amount is $7 on this app. And the only payment method that is currently on this app is PayPal. So I'm sorry guys, but you cannot cash out to gift cards with this app. But as you know, PayPal is one of the best ways to cash out. So let's move to the next section. So we are now on the profile category. Here is where you can see all of your information. So you can see your personal data, your profile, and also contact details. So let's move to the next category. Here is where you can seek information about some questions that you might have about this app. So as you can see, there are questions to about Mobeye, accomplish a mission, payment methods, technical issues, and also legal. So this is the section that you will come to if you need help on any queries that you have about this app. So last but not least, let's move to the last section. So guys, we are now at the last category, which is the settings category. Here is where you can manage the notifications on your mobile, such as receiving emails and receiving SMS. And you can also change the application permissions from the settings screen of your phone. And so you can also customize your alert radius for getting nearby tasks. So guys, we have come to the end of the video, and remember to subscribe, leave a like, comment down below, and share this video with a friend. And guys, I'll see you in the next video.